Today's topic is to the lowercase first character of the strings. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a lower method and do the string slicing, and the method two by using a lambda function, lower method and the string slicing. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a lower function and do the string slicing. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use a lower into the string slicing. So how we are going to use is, that is, first we are going to take the string 1, and as we are going to take the 0th index of the string 1 and we are converting it into the lower by using a dot lower function, and after that we are adding the remaining portion of our string 1 and we are storing that into the string number 2 variable, and we have having them as an output. So as you can see it over here, the first letter, which was a capital A, got converted into the lower A.